Welcome, fellow productivity seekers. I'm Garland Coulson, Captain Time, and today we're going to talk about how a weekly no meeting day boosts your team's productivity. So one secret to boosting your team's productivity is to give them more time to focus, more time for that deep work that you want them to do. And you can do this by declaring a weekly no meeting day. So this is a day where meetings are never scheduled, no matter what. These days must be held sacred, and even the big boss isn't allowed to schedule meetings on that day. So what does this do? It creates a space for people to do their work without interruptions from meetings. It gives them an opportunity to really focus on what they're doing, get into the flow of things, and accomplish much more than they would have otherwise. It can get tough to get started with this idea, but once you start, you won't want to go back. You'll find that your team members appreciate having this extra time to focus, and so will you. The no meeting day should be a day where you can really get things done. It's an opportunity for your team members to work on those important long-range projects that they never seem to get enough time free to really dive deep into. This isn't just about getting things done for the sake of getting them done. It's about making sure that your team members are able to work at a high level of productivity and engagement. If you're not giving them the time and space to do their best work, then you're missing out on opportunities that could help your business grow and thrive. Then your team is really only working at a fraction of their potential. Some other benefits of a no meeting day. In truth, most of us think that meetings are the bane of productivity. There's too many of these meetings. They're scheduled at the wrong times. They're often called for the wrong reasons. And people make excuses for this. Oh, we need to touch base. We need to check in. How else will we know what's going on? But the real reason for so many meetings is we've gotten used to doing it this way. We don't think about how much time and money they take up. So we just keep scheduling more and more of them into our day. And over time, we start thinking it's normal that we have to have meetings every day, that they're part of business, they're part of work, but they're not. And here's another problem with meetings. They sap your focus and productivity throughout your day, even when they're over. Have you ever had one meeting directly lead into another one, or several? And I know I have. So by designating these deep focus, productivity, meeting-free days, you're shining a spotlight on the fact that too many meetings cripple focus and productivity. And this makes people more mindful when they're calling the meetings. So they only call the meetings when they are really needed. By designating a maximum number of meetings in a day, and I recommend no more than one meeting in a day, and removing one day a week from the meeting schedule, this can help rein in meeting over scheduling. This doesn't solve the root problem of too many meetings, but it is a great first step. So, if you've decided to go ahead with this, which day should be your no meeting day? When I first started looking into this, I was intrigued by the thought of a no meeting Monday. First meeting and Monday both start with M, so I kind of like the alliteration of the phrase, but alliteration is probably not the best way to choose a higher productivity day. Another reason I like Monday is that Mondays are often busy the first day back from the weekend, so I thought it would be nice to be able to focus on the first day back when you get back to work in the week. But for projects that move quickly, I can see where you might find it useful to meet on a Monday with your team and then plan the week, so I can see that. A 2019 survey of human resource people by Accountemps found that 39% felt that Tuesday was the most productive day of the week, followed by 24% who thought Monday was the most productive day. So looking at this information, I think either no meeting Tuesdays or no meeting Mondays would be a great choice depending on your organization's needs. That same study I mentioned found most people are productive more productive in the mornings. So if you want everybody in your team to be at their best, it might be worth moving all your meetings to the afternoon. Do you need help running more effective meetings? Reach out. We've got some meeting resources for you. Our free meeting cost calculator, the link is below in the description. Our free meeting success checklist, also linked below. Our team meeting pro tips online workshop, where we can teach you and your team how to have more effective meetings. And if we work together, we can overcome meeting madness, and implementing a no meeting day program is a great way to start. So have you successfully implemented a no meeting day schedule? Tell me how it worked out in the comments below. Please, as always, hit the like and subscribe button so that more people can find this video. Thank you so much for listening.
Bizmentum, online business networking, reimagined.